Welcome to LMC. Today we'll take a look at this Toyota Yaris VVTi XL Edition. It's got a 1.5 litre petrol hybrid engine with an automatic gearbox and is on 55,518 miles. Now it's a lovely little size hatchback. It's incredibly economic due to its ability to go full electric mode or hybrid mode. It's also easy to park thanks to its sensors and camera. Now it's finished off really nicely in this dark blue colour. You've got chrome pieces on the bottom of the windows and the doors. Of course, hybrid badges all around the car. Nice gunmetal grey alloy wheels, and then round the front, more chrome pieces around the fog lights, and these LED daytime running lights, both pointing towards the front of the car, giving it quite a nice mean front end. Coming around the side of the car, you notice you've got some slight tints on the windows, on the side and rear, for a bit extra privacy. Nice little lip spoiler on top. And a nice big bright rear lights, and like I mentioned, your reversing camera. Now in terms of boot space, you do get a nice big boot, goes down all the way, plenty of space. In terms of interior, a nice amount of legroom with half leather seating, all blacked out. Then finally up front, you've got your window controls, your automatic lighting on the left stick. Now this car features a push to start system, and the car powers up. Nice clear instrument cluster. You've also got steering wheel controls, and in the centre a nice screen which features radio. You've also got maps and navigation. You've also got Bluetooth for music, as well as connecting your phone, and you've also got USB connection as well. Now if I put the car into reverse, there you see the nice clear reversing camera. Below this you've got climate controls, and then your USB port, 12-volt socket, two nice cup holders, and then in the centre console you've got the controls to choose either between electric vehicle mode or eco mode, and then the nice leather covered handbrake and a sleek centre console. And again up front, half leather seats, nice and comfortable, perfect for long journeys. So if you'd like any more information, please visit our website, and thank you very much for watching.